Hello students, welcome to my channel haneshdawe.co. In a previous lecture, we had done quadratic equation 2.2 Maths 1 10th Standard Maharashtra Board, sum 1 to 6. In this lecture, we are going to do the sum from 7 onwards. For that sums of 2.2 from 1 to 6, the link I will going to mention below, so you can refer to that. Also 9th and 8th standard lectures are also there. You can go through my channel. Okay, now let us start this sum. Complete the following activity to solve the quadratic equation. Now this is an activity. Now student, I would like to tell you, in an activity always mention the brackets. In textbook if you refer, there are brackets given to you, empty brackets. So please, whenever you write the answer, always mention the brackets with pencil or you do with pen, because it is very easy to check. So this is an activity based question. So marks are allotted as per the blanks which are mentioned here. So it's very important that you put the boxes or this type of dash. I had put down in a red marker so that you can see very easily and you can identify. Now let us see the sum. It is also a factorization. The sum is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now here the main thing is that the numbers are irrational. So we are going to deal with irrational now. In earlier part it was all were rational numbers in part 1. Here there is an irrational. Now how to solve this? Let us see. Root 2 into root 2. Here root 2 into 5 root 2. We are multiplying these extreme parts. So root 2 into 5 root 2. Now root 2 into root 2 is 2 and here it is 5. So 5 2s are 10. Now we want 7. So what are the factors? 5 and 2. Because 5 2s are 10 and 5 plus 2 is 7. So these are the most favorable factor which satisfy this. So we are writing here in the blank 5x and here 2x. So it becomes root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Now from here we have to take out common. So we are taking out x common. So x is here. After this, what will be there? Balance part. Root 2. X is already gone out. So it is x will be there plus 5. Now from here, very difficult to find out common. So don't worry, we know brackets are same. Use the trick here. Okay. Brackets are always same, that we know. So what we will do, we will write the same bracket here. Use the trick. You write same bracket here. And now you think what you will multiply with this root x so that you will get 2x. I repeat again. What you will multiply with root 2x to get 2x. Yes, correct. Root 2. You will multiply root 2 with this so that you will get 2x, because root 2 into root 2, 2x. Root 2 into 5, 5 root 5. So it is correct? Yes. So you can use this trick. Common is not coming, but then also we are writing the same bracket here. Same bracket. And then we are thinking, okay, what should be written here outside? So it is already given in this sum, it is given root 2, but then also the same bracket will come here. Now, after this, root 2x plus 5 will be common here. So here it will be written in this blank. And this as it is as per mentioned in the question, x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now we will compare with 0. This equation will compare with 0 and this equation we are comparing with 0. Now here directly they are asking you about the blank. So 5 shifted here become minus 5 and root 2 will come down. So answer is x is equal to minus 5 upon root 2. Or x is equal to minus root 2. Clear? So this root 2 shifted will become minus root 2. Then we are writing a final answer. In final answer also there is a blank. So we had mentioned here box. So it is very easy to correct for the examiner. If you don't put the box, you might not get a marks, appropriate marks. So always put the brackets here wherever required in activity based question, because this is activity based question. Clear everybody? Students, 8th sum, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here the middle part is irrational number. Okay, no problem for that. The first step would be multiplying this part. 3 into 2. What is 3 into 2? 3 2s are 6. So 3 into 2 is 6. So this is the factor what we got here. Okay. Now we want minus 2 root 6. Minus 2 root 6. Now how to get it? We have to find such a factors that you should get minus 2 root 6. Now 3 2s are 6 is there, but 3 plus 2 will give you 5. 6 1s are 6, but 6 plus 1 will also give you 5. We want minus 2 root 6. So what we will do? We will write root 6 and root 6. Because root 6 and root 6 means we want minus. So minus root 6 will be minus 2 root 6. Because irrational numbers you can add. Suppose nothing is there means 1 is there. So minus 1, minus 2. And this root 6. How we solve this way? Minus x. What is minus x? Minus 2x. This way we have solved this also. Nothing is there means coefficient is 1 here. So here also the number is 1. So we added minus 1 root 6 minus 1 root 6 is what? Minus 2 root 6. So it is correct? Yes. Now multiply minus into minus plus root 6 into root 6, 6. So both the conditions are satisfied. Addition condition also satisfied. Multiplication condition also satisfied. So what are the factors? These are the factors. Minus 1 root 6, minus 1 root 6. If you don't write minus, it's okay. It is understood. So we are writing this factor here. 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, from here, you can't take out common directly. So what we had did here, we had written in some other way. Meaning will not change. Why? See here. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Yes, agree. Because root 3 into root 3 is 3. We are not changing the meaning on the sum. We are just doing to take out common. Now, root 6. Root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2. Yes, root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Say, now here again root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2. Because root 3 into root 2 is again root 6. With the sign. Now 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Yes, because root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So we are not changing the sum, but why we had did? To take out common. So that we can easily take out common here. Now see here, from this part, suppose here, from this part and from this part. From this part, what is common here? Root 3 common. And what is other part? Other thing common? X. So what remains here? Root 3 from x square, x gone. So what will be there? X minus root 3 gone. What will remain here? Root 2, x gone. So what is the answer? Root 3x minus root 2. Similarly here, from here, what is common? Root 2 is common. See here. So we have written root 2 here. Then root 3, this x as it is, plus will become minus. Why plus will become minus? Because we have taken out minus common. So sign will change. Don't forget. Please don't forget. When we take out minus common, sign will change. So plus become minus. And this root 2 as it is equal to 0. This way. After this, now you know very well in factorization, okay, we take the common here. So root 3x minus root 2 and this root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Now we are going to compare with 0. So this part we compare with 0 and this also we compare with 0. So what we will get? Root 3x, this minus 2 will be shifted here, it become root 2. Root 3x, this will be shifted here, become what? Plus root 2. So here also plus root 2. Now take root 3 down, transpose down, Here also root 3 down. So what is the answer? X is equal to root 2 upon root 3 or x is equal to root 2 upon root 3. Now you will see both the roots are same. Yes, both the roots are same. But you will write in the final answer both the answers. Don't write only one answer. Write both. Root 2 upon root 3 comma root 2 upon root 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Clear everybody? Okay. 9 sum 2m m minus 20. 9 sum 2m m minus 24 is equal to 50. Now it is not in a standard form. You can also see. Brackets are there. Open the bracket. 2m into m 2m square. 2m into minus 24 will be minus 48m. And this 50 as it is. Now rearrange. You take this 50 here, it becomes minus 50. So what you got? 2m square minus 48m minus 50 is equal to 0. Now, since you can reduce it further, because all are divisible by 2. So we will tell divide throughout by 2. So we divided throughout by 2 to get it more simple. So we got 2 has cancelled, m square minus 24m minus 25. So we divide each and every term by 2. 0 upon 2 is 0. Now we will split the middle term, that is factorization. 1 into minus 25. 1 into minus 25 is what? Minus 25. Now we have to find such a factor that we should get minus 24. Now what will be that? You will tell 5 5s are. Yes, 5 5s are 25 is there. But 5 plus 5 will not give you 24. It will give you 10. We want minus 24. So what will be the factor? Minus 25 and 1. Because minus 25 and 1 will give you minus 24. Correct? And minus 25 multiplied by 1 will give you minus 25. Because minus into plus minus 5, 25 ones are 25. Now, this we have copied here. So, we got m square minus 25m plus 1m minus 25 is equal to 0. Now, from here, from this part, from here, from this and this, take out m common. So, what will you get? M minus 25. Here nothing is common, but then also we can take 1 common. Plus 1 outside. So what will you get? M minus 25 is equal to 0. Common bracket. What are the common brackets? M minus 25. M minus 25 is a common bracket. And what will remain? M plus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? Now compare with 0. M minus 25 is equal to 0 and or M plus 1 is equal to 0. Now take this minus 25 here. It will be M is equal to 25 or M is equal to minus 1. Shift it that side. Then final answer. Don't forget to write a final answer in board paper also, please. So final answer, therefore 25 comma minus 1 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Done? 10 sum 25m square is equal to 9. Now students, if you see here, only 2 terms are there. The first sum, only 2 terms are there. Now what should we do for the 2 terms? If the 3 terms are there, you know very well, splitting of the middle term. But now 2 terms are there. So what should you do? Always use a factorization method. Means you will take 9 here. It will become 25m square minus 9 is equal to 0. Many students, they do this way. M square, they tell 25 m square is equal to 9. What they tell? Okay, m square is equal to 9 upon 25. So we can do this way. And then take a square root on both the side. You get plus or minus 3 upon 5. Answer is same. See, answer is coming. But you are not to use this method. Because we are doing what? Factorization. Factorization method means you have to follow this 2-term method. Means you are going to follow a square minus b square formula. So what is a square minus b square formula? A square minus b square is what? A minus b, a plus b. You have to use this property here. Compulsory. So now 25 is written as 5m square whole square. Give you same answer. But way of writing is different. In this form we are writing. 9 is the square of 3. So 3 square. So this fit in the which formula? A square minus b square. So we are writing this. This is A. This is B. So A minus B, A plus B means phi m minus 3m, phi m minus 3, phi m plus 3 is equal to 0. This application we have done, this formula. Now compare with 0. So we are comparing this also with 0, we are comparing this also with 0. So what we will get? Phi m is equal to 3 or phi m is equal to minus a, shifted that side. Then phi shifted down, so m is equal to 3 upon 5 or m is equal to minus 3 upon 5. Then final answer as usual, therefore 3 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now listen, don't use that thing what I told you here, because you have to use only this formula. This type of sum of two terms you have to solve by this method only, this formula. Clear everybody? 11th sum, 7m minus 21m. Again, what do you observe here? Come on, guess. Yes, two terms are there. Two terms are there. So we will use that method, but here it will not fit in that formula. But by some different approach, we will shift this 21m here, it become minus 21m. Now many students tell, okay sir, we can do this way also. We divided here m square is equal to 21m upon 7, 7 3s are. Please don't use this method, because we are using factorization. Please don't use all these methods here. Use only this method. Here your main concept should be taking out common. So here we shifted 21 this side, so it becomes 7m square minus 21m is equal to 0. Now from here, think what will be the common? Yes, 7 will be common. And from here what will be common? M square and m will be common. So what will be there? M minus 3. 21 divided by 7 is 3 is equal to 0. So you got this and this. It means either 7m is equal to 0 or m minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, clear? So m is equal to 0 upon 7 or m is equal to 3. So we got 0 upon 7 means what? 0. So what is the answer? M is equal to 0 or m is equal to 3. Then final answer. 0, 3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. This was our question number 11. Now let us move for the next question 12. The last question of this exercise, this practice set 2.2, the last sum. 12th sum, m square minus 11 is equal to 0. Now you will guess, sir, यहाँ पे कैसे होगा formula? Yes, how the formula will be there of a square minus b square. But we will try. 11 is not a square of any number, means it is not a root of any number. So what we will write here, 11 can be written as root 11 the whole square. Because root 11 the whole square is 11 only. We are just writing to write in the form of square, because we have to write in the form of a square minus b square. That is a minus b, a plus b. For that reason we are writing this way. So 11 is written as what? Root 11 the whole square. So whenever you find such type of numbers which are not square of any numbers, you can do this way. 11, you can write it as root 11 the whole square. Now if you see, it will fit in the formula. This is our a, this is our b. So a square minus b square. So what will you get? A minus b, a plus b means m minus root 11 and m plus root 11 is equal to 0. Now compare with 0, each term, this. M minus root 11 is equal to 0 or m plus root 11 is equal to 0. Shift this minus root 11 here and this also there. So you got m is equal to root 11 or m is equal to minus root 11. Final answer, root 11 minus root 11 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. This has to be solved this way. With this, students, we have completed our practice exercise number 2.2. If you want to see 2.2 from sum number 1 to 6, I am going to have the link down there. You can just go to the link and you will see that sums also from 1 to 6 of practice exercise 2.2. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Okay, it's okay. So And also don't forget to press the bell icon for our future upcoming videos. Thank you.